Guys, today we had a 5-minute green light special breakout. I hope you guys took advantage of this. This bad boy ran from all the way from 478 all the way up to 915. You could have easily got kicked out of this trade if you got in at the wrong spot, or if you put your stop loss in the wrong spot. So I really need to do a trade review to make sure we're all on the same page with the green light special breakout, because I'm the only one on YouTube that's coming with the receipts, coming with the data. I know this setup works. You guys just got to make sure that you execute it correctly. Let's just jump straight in. If you guys don't know what I've been up to for the past 12 months, tracked over 2,500 plus breakouts. I said, listen, if I'm going to increase my confidence and become a better trader in 2025, then I should probably back test my strategy so I have 100% confidence that it works. And over the past 12 months, that's exactly what I've done by tracking 2,600 plus breakouts. This is my customized dashboard that I get access to and my one-on-one students get access to, so we can trade with this every single day. It goes over all the variables that I've tracked: time of day, market cap, free float. Did the next 1 minute candle close green? What country is the stock from? What day of the week is the best? I literally have tracked almost every single variable known to man to see what truly matters when it comes to breakouts. And for the green light special breakout, I actually didn't uncover this one until back in August. So about 4 months ago, I finally found this setup. It was hiding in the crevices. I had to filter through a bunch of different things. And when I finally found it, I said, holy shit, I need to pass this over to my one-on-one students. And they've been crushing it ever since with this setup. Since August, 112 total trades tracked, 79 have ran for at least 15% with a 70% win rate. And if you put $5,000 into every single one of these trades and you execute it perfectly, your net profit would be $26,250. Now, with that being said, read the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying these results are typical or that you're going to get these results, but these are the results that I'm coming up with through back testing the data. By the way, I just signed up 3 new students for one-on-one trading today. One who's trading with over a $30,000 portfolio. I'm super excited for that guy. And for anybody that's watching this, if you have 5, 10, 15K plus in your portfolio and you want to learn my system, get access to my dashboard, live trade with me every single day so I can help you identify these setups, I would love to take you on as a one-on-one student and make you a testimonial for what I'm building. One of the only people on social media that's actually coming with a receipt. So if you're tired of trading with intuition, being up and down, up and down, up and down, you want to trade with numbers like what you see on my dashboard, then send me a DM on IG or Facebook with the word trade, with the word stallion, with the word jackass. I'll know where you come from, and I'll see if you guys are a good fit. So let's jump into the setup today and go over exactly how we could have played it. So first and foremost, I said in yesterday's video, AMCI is definitely going to be on watch going into tomorrow for a couple reasons. Market cap was below 50 million, free float was below 50 million, the stock was from the United States, and the price was below 20. So let's jump into it. What happens as soon as market opens? So right here at 4:05 a.m. EST, we get this big move up. And then after that, sellers come in and really we just dwindle away for all of pre-market. Honestly, AMCI wasn't even really watching this, but what I do every single morning is up here in the top right, I filter by after hours and I go through all of the after hours gainers and I make sure I set alerts at the top. So first and foremost, super important. The way you're going to do that, guys, is very simple. Take a horizontal line, draw it across the top of the body right there, right click, create alert at that level, news and movement, include extended hours, hit the save button. Bada boom, bada bang. Now you're going to be notified if the stock breaks out. And then from there, we start to get this move right at market open, slowly stepping up. And then finally at 9:55 a.m., this thing absolutely boners all the way up to the breakout level of 478. So at this point, as it's bonering, as it's breaking out, we need to switch over to the 1 minute time frame. So switching over to the 1 minute time frame, let's zoom in on what's actually going on right here, because this one's very tricky. So right here at 9:52 a.m., this is part of the 9:55 5-minute candle. But as you can see right here, 9:53 opens, but then we get halted. So right here, we get halted. How do I know it's halted? If you take a look down here at the bottom, you see where it says 9:53, and then the next one says 10:03. We had a 10-minute halt right here. So this candle never closed. So I would not have been able to enter on this one because I didn't get clear confirmation, and it halted for 10 minutes. Let's wait until it opens. Opens at 10:03 a.m., and then right here at 10:03 a.m., we make this big move up, and then boom, we actually get halted again because this next candle doesn't open until 10:08. However, if we take a look at the 5-minute time frame, let me zoom back in here and show you exactly what we're looking at. This 5-minute candle right here technically closed on the 5-minute time frame. It looks like it closed, and then this 5-minute candle also closed as well. All right, this would have given me the confirmation on the 1 minute time frame to go ahead and jump in, because we get this close right here. This one doesn't really close. This one opens, but it gets halted. And then this one is a full green candle. Lets me know that it has momentum. And then as soon as this candle opens right here at 10:08, I'm hopping into a position. Now, I probably would have got filled right here around this price right here at 6:30. And if you notice, After a halt, after a halt, there's going to be volatility, and we draw down over 16% right here. 16.3%, which means if you guys hopped in after that halt with a 15% stop loss, you'd have been pissed because you would have got kicked out right here, right before the big move. That's why I said in yesterday's video, guys, I've actually been using a 20% stop loss because it increases your win rate drastically. And what I found, it makes me more profitable, especially coming in after a halt where you know things are going to be volatile. So right here, your job is to get in as close to 630 as possible. That's the highest that you could have got filled at. Realistically, you guys probably would have got filled a little bit lower. Have a 20% stop loss. 20% stop loss is going to put you down here. So your stop loss would have been right here at around $4.99, $5 even, right? And then from there, we're going for anywhere from 10 to 15%. You may be thinking, Andrew, oh, the risk to reward right there is off. I don't give a shit as long as it's profitable. The high win rate keeps this strategy profitable. 10% super profitable. 15% is a little bit more profitable, but again, lower win rate on that. So right here, after you get in, draw down, and then after that, we start to bounce. Within 3 minutes here, you already hit 10%. And within 4 minutes, you've already hit your 15% and you're out of the trade. I want to be very clear. I would not have held all the way till 8:38 or all the way up to 9:15. I would not still be holding this bad boy. Could it still continue to run? Absolutely. But for me, I'm getting my 10 to 15% and I'm bouncing. Let me know down below in the comment section if this makes sense. So comment down below and let me know if that makes sense. If you guys want to be my one-on-one student, send me a DM on IG or Facebook, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.